There's a sweet, sweet spirit in this place, and I know that's the Spirit of the Lord. There are sweet expressions on each face, and I know that's the presence of the Lord. Sweet Holy Spirit, sweet heavenly dove, stay right here with us, filling us with your love. And for each blessing, we lift our hearts in praise. Without a doubt, we know